Welcome. Today we'll be taking an image from a scanner and cropping it to a uniform size using Gimp 2.10. Here we have the scanned image ready for cropping. Next, we are going to launch Gimp. This takes a few seconds. Let's go to File, New. A new window gives us the option to enter in our desired dimensions. You can enter in dimensions as pixels, inches, centimeters, or anything else listed here. We'll go with inches this time. Let's set this to 6 inches by 4 inches. The ratio or size is not as important as making sure all your swatches are the same size. Click the OK button. Here we see our new canvas. Now, we are going to click and drag our image over to the canvas. And simply drop it in place. Now we need to make sure the material fills the entire canvas. No background or blemishes showing. Do not resize the image. Let's go to File again. Select Save As. Navigate to where you keep your working files. Enter a name for the file. We are using material, then the name of the material. Then click Save. Now we go to File one more time. This time we select Export As. This allows us to choose the file format we export as. Navigate to the folder you usually export to. Since we already saved this file, the name is auto-populated. You can change it here if needed. It's already PNG, so we'll leave that, but simply changing the name to .jpeg would result in a JPEG being exported. Once the name and location is correct, press Export. A menu with advanced options comes up. The default settings are fine. Don't change them unless you know what you're doing. Press Export. Depending on the quality of the image and the power of your computer, this process might take a little bit. We can now close Gimp. Here we see the working files from when we saved as. Here is the exported image. And with the extra display option, we can see it's uniform with the other image exported earlier. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and keep learning.